All right, we continue to be on storm watch as you take a look live outside now. And you can see it is pretty murky as you look there at the Golden Gate Bridge. We're on storm watch today, Sky 7, giving you this live look outside. Be ready for rain and strong winds to move in as we head toward the later evening. Yeah. And of course, our ABC 7 weather team is tracking the conditions right up to the minute as they change.
Let's check in with ABC 7 News weather anchor Brian Gallo. Hey, Brian.
Hello. Thank you so much. Let's get right to it. It's a busy day as far as weather is concerned, and relying on our live Doppler, as you can see, San Francisco starting to see some of that moisture move on in. It was a bit of a dry day today, obviously overcast, but we've been waiting patiently for this rain to move in. So tonight, rain and winds. As we just mentioned, these winds are going to be pretty intense. I'll show you your wind speeds in a moment, but we are tracking 50-plus-mile-per-hour winds here in San Francisco. That's pretty hefty. And as far as coastal areas, potential for 75 plus. So please just plan accordingly. As far as rain is concerned, we're talking about precipitation moving into the area right around 8:30 tonight. As far as our future cast is concerned, still a lot of this moisture doing its best. It's saying well north of us and now sagging south of us. So we are going to see flash floods really all over northern California and specifically here in the Bay Area. We're going to see these flash flood watches as well as high wind advisories with us for at least a couple of days. Now we are going to see breaks as far as rain is concerned. You can see 8:30 a.m. But remember, this is going to be with us until about Friday. So we've got some wind to really keep a focus on, and this is going to be really the focus of the broadcast for me, at least this evening. We are sitting at a 3 as far as the level is confirmed for our storm impact scale, and chances thunderstorms will also be joining us, and power outages definitely possible. Let's get right to these watches and warnings. You can see the whole western seaboard is lit up with some sort of watch or warning. And as we get a little closer to home, we were seeing yesterday that really a lot of this wind was doing its best yet again to stay focused on the north of really the Golden Gate Bridge. Now we're seeing this stretch all the way to areas south, even into Southern California. This is that flood watch and flood alert that I mentioned. This was due to expire come Friday evening. We're talking about 10 p.m. And with a lot of these watches and warnings, there's always a chance that they could be extended. Now, if you are planning on heading up to Lake Tahoe or anywhere where we're going to see a amount of snow, we're going to see hefty loads of snow. We're talking feet within a very small window of time, and snow levels could be as low as 3,500 feet. Now, yet again, the wind. This needs to be the focus, folks. Again, 70-plus-mile-per-hour gusts at the coast, and you can see Tuesday, we're talking just within the hour, things are going to start to really ramp up. 25 miles per hour by 8 o'clock. And then those AM hours, we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4 a.m. It's going to get really, really intense. Luckily, most of us will be at home on the safe side. 59 mile per hour for Half Moon Bay. And check this out, 65 for Point Reyes. Right around 5, 6 a.m., we're starting to start to see this wind really subside just in time for that sunrise. And things will die down just a bit. We'll get a small pause as far as weather's concerned, but that rain will return tomorrow evening and sticking with us again through Thursday into parts of Friday. Here are your lows. We're checking really nice numbers, all things considered. Some insulation keeping us on the warmer side. And as far as your 7-day, yeah, this is going to be really just making some damage for all of the areas here for us here in the North Bay. But the silver lining is by Saturday, things are going to clear up pretty quickly and things will get back to normal.
And we get into a dry spell for a little bit.
A little bit. That's the plan.
Okay.
I'm just hoping I get a storm jacket for Christmas. It looks like I'm going to need one.
To match your time.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks, Brian.